Make America Great Again. MAGA, listed ang tayo, Polonix, Mix, FTX, QNX, Lilbank, Bitmart at Grubix, Uniswap, Bitcoin, Bittron, XT.com. Make America Great Again. So, MAGA is a meme token inspired by Trump. Iconic hat, offering zero tax and being 100% community driven. The token is gaining traction with crypto community with strong support from Trump enthusiasts. Key features include robust community engagement, Trump debates, MAGA rallies, and the potential for significant media attention due to Trump's controversial nature and presidential campaigns. Make America Great Again.